What's up, Philly's Funny Fam? It's your girl, Nettie Net. Back on the scene. Here today, because I want to share my dinner with y'all again. Of course, y'all know a girl always got something good popping. So, today, I have some shrimp, garlic sauce, and broccoli, and snow peas, and carrots, because that's my ish. I don't know if y'all know about it. I'm trying to get my tripod together. So, anyway, it really does look like it's got that broccoli, that shrimp. It's that food porn, baby. A little bit of everything in there. See little peppers because it got a little kick to it. So I decided to have it. So let me get things together here. I ain't want to glance in that far. Getting used to using my literature.
Mommy.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Mom, please start over. Please. I can't.
Dude, did you hit any buttons on here earlier or no?
Mommy. We're taping right now?
Yeah. I don't know what's going on with my camera. So, anyway. Might be loaded. All these yummy vegetables. Anybody interested in it? It is called shrimp with garlic sauce. But I get it with onions, snow peas, and carrots, and broccoli. So pretty much just all vegetables with shrimp and a little bit of rice. It's really good. My son will eat it sometimes, but he's not into all the vegetables. He loves green beans, so that's his thing. I really didn't think I was going to finish it. Some ice water in the milk. Please. Y'all wonder why I enjoy my food in here is because my son does not like my mini mukbangs. So, I come in my room. Some people think it's rude, but some people love the community of it. Look at those shrimp. Got my teacup full of water. Good for them burps. There you go, starting, excuse me. Almost full. I'm surprised. I didn't think I was gonna be able to eat the whole plate, but it is mostly vegetables, and it is banging, y'all. For those who ain't used to this, there is a whole community of mukbangers out there on YouTube that loves to see ya eat and burp. Join the family. April 1st, y'all gotta start watching me eat healthy. Taking another approach, but I still will eat and slurp when I can. Banging, y'all. Girl, stone hell, y'all. Oh my God. It ain't all the way down. Let me get it down. Nice big cup of water. And I'm good for a night, y'all. So, as I told y'all, I have another story to tell. And I'll be back with that soon. Sooner than later. Always keep God first. Love yourselves, and then it makes it easier to love others. Till we meet again.